The line graph measures the number of laws in Brazil from 1953 to 1993. There were only around 100 laws in 1953. This increased to around 500 laws in 1973 and then to 1,000 laws in 1983. In 1993, there were 2,250 laws. In conclusion, the number of laws dramatically increased from 1953 to 1973.
This line graph shows the median and average sales price of new homes sold in the U.S. from 1963 to 2011. In 1963, the average and median sales price was around $20,000. This rose steadily to a peak of around $310,000 in average price and $200,000 in median price in 2007. However, the sales prices abruptly dipped to around $275,000 in average price and around $225,000 in median price in 2009, likely owing to the global financial crisis. In conclusion, sales prices in the U.S. steadily increased from 1963 to 2007, before a sharp dip in prices in 2009.
This line graph shows the number of articles published per year by male and female university professors. In 2006, male university professors published 2,000 articles while female university professors only published 1,000 articles. However, the number of articles published by female professors has generally steadily increased since then, reaching a peak of 3,000 articles in 2012. In conclusion, although male university professors published more articles than female professors, females have been publishing more and more articles in recent years.
The line graph shows consumer confidence from January 1990 to January 2008. In January 1990, consumer confidence was at 85, before rapidly dipping to around 67 soon after. Consumer confidence continued to rise and fall in the subsequent years, reaching a peak of 106 in January 2002. However, consumer confidence fell dramatically in January 2008, when it was once again around 67. In conclusion, consumer confidence is ever-changing and prone to many highs and lows.
This is a line graph, measured in percent, comparing the smartphone adoption in Africa with the global average from 2010 to 2020. Smartphone adoption in both Africa and the global average is predicted to consistently rise. In 2010, the global average of smartphone adoption was around 10% and it was around 5% in Africa. In 2020, the global average of smartphone adoption is predicted to be around 68% while it is predicted to be around 58% in Africa. As such, this line graph also shows that the higher rate of smartphone adoption in the global average as compared to Africa is predicted to continue to 2020. In conclusion, smartphone adoption in both Africa and the global average is predicted to consistently rise from 2010 to 2020.